Mahindra & Mahindra and Ford Motor Company have called off the joint venture between both companies in India. The decision was driven by changes in the global economy over the last 15 months due to the COVID-19 pandemic, which prompted both automakers to reassess their capital allocation priorities. The move does come as a shocker, with several projects already in the advanced stages of development. That being said, the automakers did confirm that they are open to collaborating in the future on other projects, but are not bound by any of the agreements under the joint venture. As part of the original plan, the Ford EcoSport will get the 1.2-litre M-Stallion turbo petrol engine from Mahindra. The Ford Aspire electric program, though, has been scrapped. There is no confirmation on the Ford compact SUV based on the new generation XUV 500. Ford, though, will continue its independent operations in India. The newly launched Nissan Magnite subcompact SUV has scored a 4-star safety rating in the latest round of the ASEAN NCAP crash test results. The announcement comes as a big boost for the Magnite's appeal that's off to a good start and has already garnered over 15,000 bookings since launch. ASEAN NCAP has not released complete details of the results yet, and a breakdown of the adult occupant protection and child occupant protection details are awaited. The Nissan Magnite is currently produced only in India globally at the automaker's manufacturing facility in Oragadam, Tamil Nadu, and the car tested is likely an India spec model. That said, we will have to wait for official details from ASEAN NCAP to confirm the same. The new Magnite was launched in December last year to a highly competitive price tag of 4,99,000 rupees ex-showroom, which makes it the most affordable subcompact SUV in the segment. Indian auto giant Maruti Suzuki has recorded a double-digit sales growth of 20.2% in December 2020, selling a total of 1,60,226 units as compared to 1,33,296 vehicles in December 2019. The automaker's domestic sales stood at 1,50,288 units last month, registering a year-on-year growth of 19.5%. Maruti Suzuki's passenger vehicle segment grew by 14.6% at 1,40,754 units as against 1,22,784 units sold a year ago. Cars like the Maruti Suzuki Swift, DZIRE, BALENO, WAGONR and the Ignis witnessed an uptick in sales of 18.2%. While the entry-level models like the Alto and Espresso grew by a marginal 4.4%. The UV segment comprising the Vitara Brezza, Ertiga, S-Cross and the XL6 registered a growth of 8% year-on-year.
Everything that's hot, new, exciting and relevant for you from the automobile world is on our Car and Bike channel. Don't forget to subscribe.